So welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are going to assemble the motors part. For that we are going to select the new plane, actually new plane, not new workspace. That will be assembly, and this will be in two different parts. So what we are going to do, we are going to first assemble these three parts, that is the shaft, the stator, and the com compens what was the name, let so what we are going to do, we are going to select this one and this one. And now what we are going to do, we are going to select the mate. We are going to select this one and this one, and let's drag it to there. Okay, and now slightly more, select this one, go with the inner side, and let's invert this and drag it, let's hit OK first and drag it here, go for this surface and this surface, hit OK. That's OK. Now what we are going to do, we are going to firstly hit OK here. Let's fix this and this one too. So the three parts are fixed now. They will, if we rotate these, it will rotate in equal manner. So let's save it. So for saving it, save as, and assembly third one will be the assembly 3-1, or that's okay. Save it, and let's start with a new assembly. Okay, and browse. What we are going to select, this one, and this one. Open it, let's turn it, hit OK, the second one and the third one. And one more thing which we have left, insert component, the assembly one, that will be here. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to select again the mate one and select this surface, hit OK. Let's drag it inside it, and let's make it, yeah, transparent. Let's drag it more inside it. Okay, that's okay. And now what we are going to do, we are going to go for the mate again, select this one, select this one, hit OK. Let's drag it inside this. I think that's okay. Let's drag it further more inside it. Yeah, that's okay. And the last one will be go like this. Select this one, select this one, and hit OK first. Let's drag it over here and slightly inside. Let's see from here. Yeah, that's okay. So the mate is ready now. Now what we are going to do, we are going to rotate the inner stator part. So for that, let's go with see some motions in it. Go for motion study, keep it animation, go for motor, rotatory part, select this one. Actually we can select from here that assembly 3 1 will be component and direction. This is the component and the direction is given. Let's see the select the part that is the outer surface, that is this one, and let's hit OK, and let's increase the time to 15 seconds. Okay, let's calculate this. Yeah, you can see that it's working now. So the our motor is working. We can see this by playing over here. And the all three parts, this one is also rotating, but it's not showing in this because the it's plain now. If we attach something over here, we will able to see. That's why we see these to rotate. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. Thank you, and we will see you in another videos. Okay, so that's all for today. Bye bye.